All right, good morning. Saturday today, just gonna show you what I'm working on. Don't normally work on a Saturday, but customer couldn't do any other day, so we worked this one out. So I'm just gonna show you what we're working on. So a really basic bumper blend for this Honda Accord. And this, I'm gonna charge him $350. So all this will tape off and I'll blend right there in that little spot, which would be a super easy blend. Make it nice and easy. Plenty of room to blend the paint so that the color match is not going to be an issue there. And this color match is really good anyway. And we'll bring you over here. So this, I'm not going to be painting. So this got dented in here. It's a plastic bumper. So I told the customer that I could get the bumper out and look a lot better. And then I'm gonna buff the area. There's some surface scratches here, and if anything doesn't come out, I'm gonna touch it up. So I'm gonna do that for $150. So the total for today would be $500. $350 for the front, $150 for this. And I told him it wouldn't be perfect, but I can get it a lot better. And then the dents on the quarter panel, I recommended a PDR guy. I don't know if he's gonna do that right away or what, but I recommended one. So that's what we're working on today. So hope you guys are having a good day, and we'll see you later. Bye.